Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to update the firmware on MOVA V50 Ultra. To update the firmware, you need to go into the app. There's a high chance that if the update is available, it will show that on the main page of the app, but if it didn't or you canceled it, you can go to the settings, then go all the way down to firmware update. And now if there's an update available, you should be able to click on update now. Now, make sure not to remove your robot from the charging station. Don't press on any buttons. Don't turn off the robot. And keep your phone and router close to the robot. By the way, in the app there's also an option to enable auto updates here at the top. So it automatically updates next time between 2 and 6 a.m. if the robot is idle. So you don't need to do it manually next time and you don't need to be bothered. I'll get back to you when it's finished. Now it's installing the update, as you can see, so it will take a bit more time. Now what is important, very likely after the update it will be updated to the newest version, but sometimes it happens that it's not updated to the newest one. So you may want to leave the app, re-enter it, and see whether there's even a newer update available, because sometimes the robot cannot update a few firmware versions app, and the current version is a few generations older than the newest available. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.